Today we are going to learn the use of O and N. Are you ready? Let's start. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now let's learn where we have to use N. Use of N. We use N before a word that begins with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, and U. We use N to introduce a singular noun like an ape, an apron, an apple, an ant, an axe, an eagle, an eel, an ear, an elephant, an egg, an elbow, an iron, an ice cream, an insect, an inkpot, an igloo, an okra, an octopus, an orange, an umbrella, an urn. Now let's learn where we have to use O. Use of O. We use O before a word that begins with consonant like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We use O to introduce a singular noun. Like a ball, a dog, a fish, a gun, a cat, a horse, a kite, a jam, a mat, a lamp, a nest, a pig, a quill, a rat, a snake, a tap, a tree, a watch, a bus, a yak, a zebra. When we use O or N, we have to remember one thing. That is, if the vowels are pronounced as vowel sound, then we use N. But if the vowel letters as pronounced as consonant sound, then we use A. like a uniform, a you, a one-legged man. Today we learned about the use of or and. If you want to watch our other videos, then please click the link given below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.